What is going on, you guys? Today we're going to be taking a quick look at SteelSeries' new Apex Pro Mini wireless keyboard. This is their 60% form factor keyboard that has their OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable switches, and you can adjust the actuation from 0.2mm to 3.8mm. It works on the 2.4 GHz connection or Bluetooth 5.0 and uses SteelSeries Quantum Dot 2.0 wireless for an ultra-fast, lag-free gaming. It has a battery life of 30 hours, 40 hours using Bluetooth, and this is going for $240. It comes with the product information guide, the USB-C wireless dongle and the wireless extension adapter, an orange keycap puller, a USB-C to A cable, and finally the keyboard itself. The keycaps are double-shot PBT keycaps, and on the top left there is a USB-C port to charge the keyboard or play wired, and a power switch, and either to go with the 2.4 GHz option or Bluetooth. You also have the height adjustable tilt legs, and on the keycaps you have the side printed secondary function keys. Let me know what you guys think about the Apex Pro Mini Wireless. The full video will be on my YouTube channel soon, and use code TechHD12 to get 12% off at checkout. But now let's do a sound test.